Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey boy, hey girl, how you doing? How you feeling, pretty people? Today I have a contact haul for you guys. If you notice, my eyes are a little different. And of course with the thumbnail, that's why you clicked here. So guys, I wanted to review these contacts. I've been kind of seeing them float around a lot, and I wanted to get my opinion on these contacts because some people want to switch up their eye color. It's okay. My daughter has the most beautiful brown eyes. My husband has the best hazel brown, whatever color that is, and me and my son, we're dark brown. It is what it is. But with these contacts, you can kind of switch up your look, get different looks, and I think I might start wearing these looks in my video. So the company that I got, it's from Ttdeye. I saw a couple YouTubers do these kind of show and tell contacts, and I wanted to try it out. So I do wear contacts, and so I did want to kind of bring something a little different. You know, let's make it fun, let's make it pretty, because you know, we're cute with these looks, but sometimes these eyes makes the whole look. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna be showing my natural eye, and I'm gonna be showing the contact eye. So we're gonna go ahead and just get started with this one that I have right here. This one is the HD Brownness, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I look with makeup, how I look without makeup, because I notice sometimes these contacts look different if your whole face ain't on. So let's just go ahead and jump into it, and I'll let you guys know how I feel at the end.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her. That the game we play. Who knows why it's gotta be this way? We say nothing more than we need. I say you're playing and we leave. This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
Okay guys, so that wraps up our video pretty much. I gave you 6 different looks. Let me know which ones are your favorite. The way I feel about these contacts, guys, outside of this haul, I have worn these contacts out. I wore one pair out, and so far I do like them. I'm a natural contact wearer myself. I have prescription contacts, and I also wear glasses. These contacts, I do like them because you can order them, and all you have to do is put in your prescription online and it comes, and you don't need to submit your eye exam. You do need to know what prescription your eyes are. I will say that it definitely is a look. Will I wear them every day? I'm not too sure about that. Initially, they go in and it kind of felt like my eye had to kind of adjust, but once it did, it was fine. And I did notice, I'm not sure if it's because it's a little thinner. The contacts that I'm used to wearing, it's an Oasis lens. And the lens that I'm used to wearing is a little bit different. It's a little bit thicker. And I noticed it's a little bit more lubed This one does tend to kind of get a little bit dry, so I would suggest walking around with maybe an eye drop or an eye lubricant or something. But it definitely is a look. These contacts do last up until a year. That's what it says. I'm used to wearing my contacts for about 2 weeks and throwing them away. That's what it says on the website, so it is what it is. Also, I did buy 6 of these contacts. I got a buy 3 get 3 free deal, and I kind of did like that because it gives you an option to like try different contacts. I think there's a buy 2 get 1 free also, so that's what I did. It seems like there are always specials on the website. That's pretty cool. The only thing I didn't like is these contacts didn't really come labeled. They came in this nice little box right here, you know, but the only thing that I didn't like is that only 2 of them told me like exactly which contact I was getting. So I did have to email them and ask them like, hey, what's up? Like, is there a code? There's no real code on the back telling you which contacts that you got. But they just basically told me to go to the website and compare the contacts and look at the pictures. I did. Hopefully the ones that I told you what it is what it is. But it was pretty easy finding, matching it up and looking at each contact. Otherwise, I think these contacts definitely are a look. I think they're really pretty. They look different than what they look like in the case. I must say that. When you put them on, they look totally different from what they look on the website. So keep that in mind. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these contacts. Which ones were your fave? Would you buy them? And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.